Hi sir, good evening. For tonight, I will discuss the environmental issues in Baler Aurora, Philippines, my province. Baler Aurora faces a lot of challenges like deforestation, legal logging, and also the solid waste management. For me, in my own opinion, the only way to avoid such environmental issues is for everyone to have discipline and concern for all to respect their as well as simply following the rules. I hope they learn to throw trash in the bins and how to segregate it. For forest degradation, encourage them to planting native trees and upgrading uplands and watersheds. For those people who always cutting trees in the forest, they should to ban them as soon as possible because the more people continuing cutting trees, the more area will flood. So please stop doing the illegal logging. Through sustainable practice, education, and strong policies, Baler can preserve its environmental for future generations. Let us all take and protecting this paradise because environmental protection is a shared responsibility.